Hello, kids. Welcome to our new way of learning. I hope you all are safe at your end. Children, today I'm here to explain you a very interesting and knowledgeable chapter in English grammar, that is the pronoun. Children, अगर हम pronoun में से pro को हटा देते हैं तो क्या रह जाएगा? Noun. And noun you already learned in the previous session that a noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Clear? So let's begin to our new chapter, that is the pronoun. Children, it is very important chapter in your English grammar. So be attentive and listen very carefully. Children, pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Children, pronoun एक ऐसा वर्ड है जिसको हम नाउन की प्लेस पे यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Rahul is absent because he is ill. In the above sentence, children, the word he is a pronoun because it is used instead of Rahul. Rahul की प्लेस पे he यूज किया है. So children, हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि pronoun हम noun की प्लेस पे यूज करते हैं. Children, अगर हम बोलेंगे Rahul is absent because Rahul is ill, तो it seems incorrect. Means हम राहुल को 2 times repeat कर रहे हैं. And children, you all know राहुल क्या है? Noun. तो हम noun की प्लेस पे pronoun को चेंज कर सकते हैं. So the sentence is Rahul is absent because he is ill. Now children, look at the second example. This house is very old. It is falling down. In the above sentence, children, it is a pronoun. Because children, it is used instead of a thing, house. Now, personal pronoun. Now children, let us learn about personal pronoun. Children, personal pronoun refers to some specific person, place or thing. Personal pronoun में children हम specific person, place और thing की बात करते हैं. Children, personal pronouns are of 3 types. They are first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. Now, first person pronoun. First person pronouns refers to a person speaking. Here, speaking means children जो sentence बोल रहा है वो हमारा first person pronoun होता है. For example, I and we. Now, look at some more example. I saw an elephant. Here, the word I are the first person pronoun. Now children, the second person pronoun. Second person pronouns refers to the person spoken to. It means children, जिससे हम कुछ कहते हैं या जिससे हम कुछ बात कर रहे होते हैं वो हमारा second person pronoun होता है. For example children, you. Now, do you have an extra pencil? In this sentence children, you is a second person pronoun. इस sentence में children हम दूसरे से ये पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या आपके पास extra pencil है? So this is known as second person pronoun. Now children, third person pronoun. Third person pronoun refers to a person or thing, people or thing spoken about means हम जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं, that is known as third person pronoun. For example, he, she, it and they. Children, look, Ram said he had met her. In the above sentence, children, he and her क्या है? Third person pronoun. Now, children, reflexive pronoun. Did you know what is reflexive pronoun? No? Okay. I will explain. Children, reflexive pronoun refers back to the subject of the sentence. Means जो आपके sentence में back आते हैं. Where reflexive noun is the object of the sentence. Children, ये वो pronouns होते हैं जिनके last में self या selves जुड़े होते हैं. Reflexive pronoun उनको कहा जाता है. Children, इनको हम self pronouns भी कहते हैं. For example, I saw myself in the mirror. Here, children, myself refers to a person or a thing, that is a subject. And myself किस में आएगा? Reflexive pronoun. Now, children, demonstrative pronoun. Children, you know what is demonstrative pronoun? No? Okay. So look, demonstrative pronoun is mainly used to point out person or things. Children, ये वो pronoun होते हैं जो person और thing को point out करते हैं, demonstrate करते हैं. उनको हम demonstrative pronoun बोलते हैं. Children, always remember one thing, जब इनका use हम noun से पहले करते हैं तो उनको हम demonstrative adjectives कहते हैं. Now, children, this and these are used for persons or things that are near the speaker, जो speaker के पास में होता है. This हम singular के साथ use करते हैं और these हम plural के साथ use करते हैं. Children, that and those are used for persons or things that are away from the speaker. जो चीज़ें दूर होती हैं या जो persons दूर होते हैं उनके लिए हम that और those का यूज़ करते हैं. Children, that हम singular के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और those हम plural के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Clear my point? For example, children, this is my bag. In the above sentence, children, the word this is the pointing out the bag which is near, जो पास में है. Second example, children, that is my school. In the above sentence, children, that is pointing out to the school which is not near, जो हमारे पास में नहीं है, हमसे दूर है. Now, children, our next topic is interrogative pronoun. So, are you ready? Okay. So, let's start. Children, interrogative pronoun is used for asking questions. Children, interrogative pronoun का यूज हम क्वेश्चन पुट अप करने के लिए करते हैं. Like what, which, who, whom and whose. For example, children, what are you doing? Second example, which colors do you want? In the above sentences, children, what and which are interrogative pronoun. I hope, children, you all are understood the chapter. Thank you.